doing this video? I'm just filling some with oil, see if it works. The seller said it worked. Last time I read that, I was like, last time I heard that from a seller, yeah, it works fine. I don't believe anybody anymore. It's always bull crap. It worked. It worked when it was last parked in 1965 or whatever. So I'm taking this. Yeah, I bought another one. It actually supposedly works. I'm going to pour a little bit of, what do you call it? Pneumatic lube. Maybe I should put some other lubrication in here. What do I got? Have anything cool? Motor oil, something. Anything cheaper in this? The waste? I don't know. I'll pour it in here. Whee! I know pneumatic tool oil has been drastically changed in price since I last bought some. Put a little more in there. And I know if you don't buy it by the gallon, you're getting screwed. So, much is in there? Not a lot. A little bit. I won't put it all in there. I'll just put a little bitty in there. Close that up. All right, put that over there. It's an old bottle of Bostitch 2008. Yeah, so this isn't the bottle. So we will close this up. I like these. I really love these old oilers. They're the bomb. It's probably gonna leak everywhere. What can I oil with it now? What can I spray to get all over? Let's spray it in the. Let's spray it in. Where is it? Where is it? Over here. There we go. Spray it in the oil can. This is my oil can that seems to have run out of oil. There we go. Whee! What is this gadget right here? This is a oil dabbing. Basically, it's a can where you keep it on there, and it's basically an oiling thing. You just rub oil on it. I put a shit ton of oil in here. It seems like it all vanished. But yeah, this works really good. So basically, if you want to wait till it all sinks in there. See, it's all, the rag's digesting all the oil. And then when you want to oil something, you just take it and go, so you just rub it on there. And it gives you a nice even coat of oil, along with a bunch of aluminum chips. And when you put it away, you just leave it in the can. It's I think, what's his name there? One of his videos. Oh man, I can't remember his name. Oh, what the hell's his name? There's another channel where I seen it. And I was like, you know what, it's perfect to put some old motor oil. I also learned a really good trick that, and I'm like, yeah, it's not the most environmental, but you know what, how many people, like, if you don't want to pay for Thompson's water seal, basically they took a roller and rolled on used motor oil on lumber, because, you know, like it's any different than putting tar in your driveway, because, you know, how toxic asphalt is. But, oh no, just pave our driveway, but use, you know, I'm pretty sure it's less toxic than Thompson's water seal, and probably less toxic than all the, what do you call it, toxic treated lumber we used to use. But the guy rolled on just a thin coat of oil on the wood, soaked it up, and used it for the, what do you call it, the bottom beams of a shed. So I'm like, yeah, I like that idea. I'm gonna build a shed, make it, what do you call it, rot proof. In fact, I just built the floor. I'm like, I put the floor on, so I might jack the shed up and go in there with a roller and just do it up. Why? Because I can't afford to buy treated lumber to build a shed, and that's a really good idea. So I like that idea. So I'm gonna steal it and try it out. I might do the outside first. Get a little roller from the dollar store, because that's where I buy all my paintbrushes. Might leave a few hairs in there, but it's about $200 cheaper when you dollar store brushes. I used to have a whole box. I went there one time. They had really nice brushes for $1.25 or $1, whatever, and I bought like 50 of them. And I think the box was up there somewhere. I think I burned through the whole stash. With that said, Eagle oilers are the bomb. If you keep oiling them, they don't. Well, it's what, brass, I think. They don't rust. So, with that said, pick them up. Oh, and get this. paid 20 bucks for this one. People sell them on there for like 60, 80 bucks. And I paid 20 bucks for it because people misname things online. And if they don't write a number, was it 66 Euler? If you don't get the name right and you just troll through and look up Eulers, some people just... So yeah, there was one worse shaped than this, dented and all that stuff for 60-something. If you look, you will find it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell me how you like the videos, and enjoy.